Namaskar, I am Dr. D.R. Patnaik, India Meteorological Department, New Delhi. Today I will be discussing about the main weather conditions that prevail over different parts of India during last week and what we are expecting during subsequent 2 weeks. So the synoptic conditions that prevailed during the last week, that is from 15 to 21 August, if we see, there was a low pressure area that formed on 16th of August over the North Bay of Bengal, and slowly it moved northward. Then today now it is lying over the northern part of Bay of Bengal. Then the other weather system, that is the monsoon trough, that start from Ganganagar and towards the low pressure system. So this monsoon trough, actually during the last week, most of the western end of the monsoon trough towards the northwest India, that was the normal position. However, the eastern end was slightly to the north of the normal position because of the low pressure area. Then the cyclone circulation also over the northwest India, over the Rajasthan region, you can see many days during the week. And another also cyclone circulation over the peninsula India associated with north-south trough. So these synoptic conditions, what were there in the last week, that gave this type of rainfall distribution during the week. So if you see the rainfall distribution of different magnitude, yes, here, but if you see the main rainfall, higher rainfall, red color, all these things are there. So that is also you can see over different northern part of India and also some part of central and also south peninsula India, and mainly over the northeastern state. So if you see that on day-to-day basis, if we just we want to highlight which are the region or which are the maps of region that got very heavy rainfall or above. So if you see here how it is distributed during the different date from 15th August to 21st August. So if you your northeastern states also got the rainfall, even the northern India, that Himachal, all this Uttarakhand, then over the northwest India, Rajasthan region, and also the south peninsula, and some days also over the Odisha and Jharkhand, Bihar region. So these are the things where we got the major rainfall, very heavy rainfall, that is more than 12 centimeter rainfall during the last 1 week. And today, that is today 22nd August, that means the 24-hour rainfall, if you see the 24-hour rainfall from yesterday morning to today morning 8:30 hours. So if you see, this is the rainfall distribution today recorded over different parts of India. But major thing we have highlighted here, the Tripura region. So Tripura region, that we have got today very exceptionally heavy rainfall also, and you can see the graphical distribution also how we got that. That's why this observed rainfall is also today a very high, exceptional heavy rainfall we got over this region, northeastern state, and many other part also, the central India, northeastern state, and also here Uttarakhand region. And if you see here the other, this western coast also we got this thing. And if you the magnitude, but major rainfall today recorded over the Tripura region, that's a large scale devastation. And if you see how this rainfall distribution over Tripura, particularly during this week, so that if you see last 3 days, 19 to 22nd, so this is the station recorded the rainfall. If you see how on 19th August the rainfall recorded, if you see the many stations over Tripura, very high rainfall distribution. And today, that is the 22nd August, if we see, this is the rainfall distribution, and the one station, that is Bagafa, that is over South Tripura, it got 49 centimeter rainfall, 49 centimeter rainfall in 24 hours. So this is how the distribution of the today's rainfall distribution over Tripura. If you see, all other stations also got very heavy, extremely heavy rainfall, and one station got 49 centimeter. That is exceptionally high rainfall distribution. And so this day, today also we got, as I said, but if we see the week as a whole, last week from 15 to 21 August, this is the rainfall distribution over the different met sub-region of India. So this is the large excess, dark blue, this is the excess, this is the normal, this is the deficient, and this is the large deficient, yellow. So if you see the overall, the country as a whole, it received -7%. That means the rainfall activity, since this is a active monsoon month of August, so rainfall activity during the week actually was 7% less than the normal. And distribution wise, if you see the region wise, if you this is the table how this is the subdivision, how it is classification, large access to no rain. But if you see the amount of rainfall over different 4 homogeneous region, so the country as a whole -7% during the week. But here actually departure wise, the northwest India got +23% and South Peninsula got +17%, whereas the central India is -33% and east northeast India -12%. That means still it is less rainfall received over the central and northeast India during the week. And this is the cumulative rainfall. Cumulative means our monsoon season begins from 1st June. So how at present till today till 21st August, what is the distribution so far? If you see, this is the rainfall pattern subdivision wise from the 1st June to the 21 August. If you see, this is the distribution. Most of the green there is normal classification, means -22 +20. So and this is a deficient subdivision, and here it is excess, and this is large excess. And country as a whole is +4%. That means it is just above the 100% LPA, long period average value. So this is also slightly ahead of the average value. So 4%. So this distribution wise, again for the cumulative from the 1st June, here is the distribution 4% or country as a whole. And South Peninsula and central India cumulative wise it is okay +9, and South Peninsula also +21%, whereas your east northeast still it is less, -12%, and almost it is northwest India is almost close to the 100%. So this is a cumulative rainfall distribution, slightly ahead of the 100% mark. Then now today's synoptic conditions, since when we are expecting what will happen for next week or next 2 weeks. So this today's synoptic condition, if we see, actually here this is the low pressure area over the northern Bangladesh and neighborhood area that is existing today, and that also will move slightly northwestward gradually, and the low pressure area is also today formed over the Maharashtra coast, actually Goa Maharashtra coast. So that also is likely to move slightly northward. This is the 2 major systems. In addition, the monsoon trough at sea level, it is passing through the Ganga Nagar, that monsoon trough here actually. So this is also means a normal position, and to the here eastern side again it is north of the normal position. Then western disturbance, another western disturbance also approaching, that is west of the Indian longitude, that also means it will also likely to affect after a few days. So this is a major synoptic condition that is prevailing today, and we are running different models. Based on that thing we are preparing the forecast. So if you see the global forecast system model, that is 12 km resolution. So next 7 days, this is the sea level pressure. If you see the sea level pressure, how this is, there will drop here active monsoon type of thing here, then there is low pressure area is here, that is moving slightly northward, and another low pressure area of the central India, that is also moving slightly northwestward, and also it will pass through the central part of India. So and that this is the sea level pressure, and this is the wind and rainfall. If you see the rainfall associated with this system, how it is moving, the rainfall belt is moving towards the thing, and also there is also contribution from this low pressure system and the both systems. So this belt actually will get model indicating good rainfall activity. So and due to this forecast, based on this our available forecast, yes, we are giving the warning also, the bigger low pressure area that also will give very extremely heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura region during next 2 days. So that we are expecting, and enhanced rainfall activity also over the Gujarat region and Maharashtra region during 24 to 27. After few days, once the low pressure area will enter, and this the Arabian Sea system also will move, so that will be that region also will get the good rainfall activity. And graphically you see the warning warning graphics. So 22nd today, yes, the northeast India we have given the red color Tripura region and also the orange region, and another subdivision over northern India. And gradually if you see here on 24th again there means the both systems will be there active, and we have given large area over the central part of India, orange color warning is there. So 24th and 25th if you see that is also still prevailing, that warning over the thing, but gradually the rainfall belt is moving toward the west, and 26. So this our warning, orange warning is still there till 26. So that's why we have given that warning, orange warning. But subsequent 2 days, the rainfall will decrease over the many parts of the country. And we also run the extended range coupled model that will give just a guidance about the week 1 and week 2. So just to have some information whether active monsoon or break monsoon is approaching. So this type of model will give you the guidance about the expected monsoon for a longer period. So 2 weeks. So this is the first week forecast, 22 August to 29 August, and this is the second week forecast, 29 August to 5th September. And this is the anomaly. Anomaly means deviation, whether we will be above normal or below normal. So this belt associated with the system, as we have seen in our medium range forecast model. So here this is the rainfall above normal, means we are expecting this belt to get means positive above normal rainfall. So accordingly, so this sometimes some region also can get very high, very heavy, extremely heavy rainfall during the week, many days. So, but when we come to the week 2, of course it is not much anomaly, the rainfall will be reduced, but it is still there will be a normal or slightly normal, above normal over the western part of the. So this way the 2 weeks rainfall distribution that we are expecting based on our model. But with respect to the cyclogenesis, actually when we say cyclone, whether this is not the season where we get the cyclone, tropical cyclone, that's why we have not indicated any cyclogenesis probability, but due to the low pressure areas, that moment that we are giving the that means high probability of the low pressure area or cyclone in circulation, that is during the week 1 mainly, and some part also probability during the week 2. So this way we are expecting this thing, but there is no expectation about the formation of intense system like cyclone. So this, but there will be the low pressure area, cyclone circulation over the central part of the India, and it will gradually move toward the western side. So this is the overall the distribution of weather, means what we prevail and what we are expecting during the next 2 weeks. And every Thursday we are coming and briefing this thing, giving the past weather conditions and the subsequent 2 weeks conditions. So this week I end here. Namaskar, Jai Hind.